The 2014 Subaru Forester. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage regardless of road or weather conditions. Subaru prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, automatic dimming door mirrors, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.